This is everything you need to know on how to replace smoke alarm batteries. Hi, my name's Ash. In most cases, smoke alarms will indicate when the battery is getting low by beeping, or it's been 10 years since you last changed it. Let's get into it. Every smoke alarm is different when it comes to changing batteries. Some are an easy fix, where you use the existing smoke alarm and change to a new set of batteries, while others you'll need to replace with a new smoke alarm. To determine which unit you have, hardwire units will have a solid green light, and battery operated will have a flashing light every 30 to 45 seconds. If you have a battery operated smoke alarm, the first thing you've got to do is remove it from the bracket. From here, replace the old battery with a new one. Once you've done that, secure the smoke alarm back to the bracket. To ensure everything is running perfectly, press and hold the test button. If it makes it sound, it's all good to go. If it doesn't, you may need to look into resetting your smoke alarm. Most units have a red reset button. You'll need to hold this down for roughly 15 to 20 seconds. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step process of how to change your smoke alarm batteries. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.